This AI tool is going to change the internet forever. What this is an AI video tool that you can get started with for free just by clicking this button that says free tools and turn any photo into an AI video. That's at oneclickvids.com, but that's not what I'm talking about. So why am I showing you this? Well, I'm showing you this because you're lazy. And how do I know that? Because you're watching my channel. And that's what I like to do, is get money the laziest way possible. Now, I'm not saying there's anything wrong with hard work. Hard work is great, but doing less work and earning the same amount of money is even better if you ask me. So that's what I want to get into today. So I actually take it a step further. I was showing you the AI video tool because I know a lot of people don't want to get on camera. AI is all the rage, but I actually get even lazier with it, and I just point at my computer screen and upload these videos. And you can see they get hundreds, sometimes thousands of views. But it doesn't matter how you create the videos, whether you point at your computer screen, whether you get on camera, or whether you create them with AI. What I want to show you is the AI that is going to change the internet and potentially your income forever. So what I do is affiliate marketing. So the way most people do affiliate marketing is they create a video, a lot of times an AI video, and what they do is they create the video and they send the traffic directly to their affiliate link. Now, the problem with that is most people don't buy things the first time they see them, so what ends up happening is that person bounces, they leave the website without buying your affiliate offer or your product or service, whatever it is you're trying to make money with, and they are gone forever. And you might get 1,000 views on this video, and the majority of those visitors are going to bounce and leave forever without buying something. So what I want to show you is how to use a simple combination of AI and automation to fix that problem. So it's going to start with something called a landing page. So I'm just going to draw this diagram right in front of you. So before we get carried away, this is what a landing page looks like. It's something super simple. It doesn't take more than like 5 or 10 minutes for you to create one of these. There's even templates. This is mine. It's at profitpassively.com if you want to check it out. But basically, all it is a page that offers somebody something generally for free just for putting their email in a box and clicking submit. Now, the reason that's so powerful, so let me just go ahead and draw a little opt-in box here. So this is our opt-in page. The reason one of these pages is so powerful is because if we send the traffic instead of from the video directly to the affiliate link, if we send it to an opt-in page, we can now collect people's email addresses and then use automation to send them emails on autopilot. We can send them an email every day or every other day, a couple times a week, whatever you want to do, but we can literally string out these emails for as long as you want. So you could create a 30-day email sequence, and what's crazy is you can do this in a matter of minutes using AI. So what happens here is now somebody watches your AI video or your manually created video, whatever, they watch your video, your social media content, they opt in, and they get sent to the affiliate link. But now, if they bounce, if they leave the website without buying your affiliate offer, that's okay because tomorrow they'll get another email bringing them right back. And if they bounce again, well, that's still okay because they're going to get another email and another email. And we can really drag this out as long as you want. Like I said, you could do a 7-day sequence, a 14-day, 30-day sequence. But what this is going to do is, say you set up 30 of these, you are going to 30x your chance of making a sale on this affiliate offer just by setting up one of these AI email sequences. So like I said, this is my landing page. Anyone can create one of these in about 5 or 10 minutes. And the tool I use to do that, by the way, is called Go High Level. But the thing you need to know about Go High Level is they generally offer a 14-day free trial. So if you want to double that, more than double that, and get a 30-day free trial, you want to head to funnelsforever.com. Of course, that's my affiliate link, so I get credit if you do that, and it's greatly appreciated. And if this doesn't work for you, just cancel before the 30 days and you pay absolutely nothing. So it's pretty much risk-free for you to go ahead and set up one of these AI systems. But what I want to show you is just how easy it is to create the content for these emails. So here you can see I told Google Gemini, write me a 30-day email sequence that promotes Go High Level. That's it. I didn't give it a fancy prompt. You'd probably get better results if you told it a little bit about your target audience and what you're trying to do, right? If you used a paragraph or two instead of just one sentence. But just check this out. With one sentence, it said absolutely and got to work right away. And here's email number 1. Tired of piecing together marketing tools? Hey, first name. I know what it's like to feel overwhelmed by the sheer number of marketing platforms out there. That's why I'm excited to introduce you to Go High Level. And boom, you just turn this into your affiliate link. You turn this into a hyperlink and you put it into this AI email sequence. And so it's already created me a bunch of these, but this is how easy it is to do. So we have, look, it says 14 emails so far. So say I want to do 30, I can say, write me 16 more. And just in a matter of seconds, it's going to start churning out these AI emails, which are literally going to sell this product for me. So here we go. Absolutely. Here are 16 more emails to continue the Go High Level promotion sequence. So here's email 15, reach your audience instantly with SMS marketing. So that's another cool thing about Go High Level is they actually have SMS marketing, text message marketing. So just like I'm showing you this email sequence, these could be text messages as well. These can be emails, these can be text messages, whatever you want to do. And again, the content is created with AI. So anybody who's into making money online at all, whether you sell a product, a service, affiliate offers like I do, this is going to be a great way to really transform your profits. Like I said, if you set up 30 of these, and it's going to take what? How long does it take you to copy and paste? A few seconds, so 30 minutes, an hour, you could have 30 of these set up, and you can 30x your chance of making a sale and potentially change your income forever. Or, you could not do that. You could just continue doing what everybody else does and send the traffic directly to the affiliate link. That's up to you. But I just wanted to make this quick video because I see so many people doing this wrong. I see so many people just creating videos talking about their affiliate link and then switching offers every couple weeks because they make no sales and they can't figure out why they don't make sales. And the simple reason is because people don't buy things the first time they see it. They need to see something 5 to 7 times before they decide to pull the trigger on it. So this is a great way to do that, all from the exact same amount of effort, right? You're creating this video using AI if you use oneclickvids.com, or you create simple videos that take you 3 minutes like I do, just pointing at your computer screen and telling people exactly what you want them to do. Hey, check out this tool, go to this website, buy this thing, buy my service, whatever it is. So anyways, that's it. I don't want to keep you guys too long today. I just see a lot of people doing this wrong, and I just wanted to make sure that you know how easy this is. You can generate content in seconds, and then again, you can do this free for 30 days. And I'm assuming that if you haven't been doing this, that you are going to notice an increase in sales. And then, when the 30 days is up, you've probably already made the money just by using the free trial of this tool. You'll probably make the money to then go ahead and pay for it. And like I said, if not, just go ahead and cancel. It costs you nothing to try it. You could try it for 29 days and then cancel, and it's no big deal. But the reason so many people use these funnel builders is because they work, because it's easy, and again, it's a great way to multiply your chance of making a sale. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. It takes me quite a bit of time to make these videos. It only takes you a split second to click that like button. If you want to see more content like this in the future, be sure to click the red subscribe button down below and click the bell. That way you'll get a notification on your phone each and every time I upload a new video. And other than that, I hope you have a great day. I hope you make a ton of money online, and I can't wait to see you in the next AI money making video.